Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very interesting guys, and I'm very excited to share with you guys that you can have conversation with celebrity like Cristiano Ronaldo guys. Yes guys, I'm not kidding. You will be amazed to have chat with Cristiano Ronaldo guys with the help of AI. And there are so many other celebrities also available there, like John Cena, like Donald Trump. You can ask them any personal questions, any questions you like, guys. Even the real time access they have, like what are you doing today, and how was your day today, how was your match today, what did you do today, what's going on nowadays, what's your future plan. So you can ask them any questions you like, guys. There are no limitations, so you will be amazed to watch this video guys, and whenever you are feeling bored, you can have conversation with them, you can have chat with Cristiano Ronaldo, try to learn with them. uh, what are their mindset. If you are feeling demotivated, so you can just have chatting with them, and you can just you know uh, keep motivated yourself and keep rolling guys. You can chat with Donald Trump, how he lost. You can discuss anything, and what are their plans for future, guys. He will be elected for the president again or not. You can ask him any questions you like, guys. So you will be amazed to uh, know this kind of AI tool, guys. With the help of AI tool, this would be possible, guys. Because I don't think that we'll get chance to have conversation like the popular celebrity, like Cristiano Ronaldo, guys, like Donald Trump, like John Cena. So let's start the video, guys, without a further delay. So firstly, you will have to open your Google Chrome, and you will have to just type it there, practicetalking.net, guys. I have given the link in the description also. By clicking on that link, you will come to this website, practicetalking.net slash chart AI. If you're coming very first time, so they will ask for the login, guys. So firstly we'll have to log in. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. So you will have to just click on all AIs, guys. So click on all AIs and go down. See, there are so many celebrities are there, communities AI. See, like Tom Holland, Harris Style, Cristiano Ronaldo, LeBron James, Albert Einstein, even, guys. He's not alive, but you can have conversation with Albert Einstein. You can ask him about their research, about their anything, guys. How he invented, you know, uh, whatever he invented in their life, guys. You can ask him any questions you like, guys. There are so many coaches also. You can ask, a Stanford admission interviewer is there. So if you want, you can ask him any questions. So there are so many characters are here, guys. So I love to have conversation with Cristiano Ronaldo, guys. So click on Cristiano Ronaldo and just see, guys. They have messaged you again already that hi, glad to hear you are a fan, or at least I can't imagine you wouldn't be a fan given my dominance. I am very busy, so what did you want to talk about? So Cristiano Ronaldo, guys, he already told that he's very busy. So you can ask him any question. Like I'd love to ask his secret of fitness, guys. So I'd ask him their daily routine, diet, full day. I'd love to ask their daily routine, diet, guys. See, see, they are writing, guys, in the morning. 6 to 7 o'clock in the morning, he just wake up, and he takes a warm glass of water, and whatever he takes, In the breakfast, guys, they have mentioned everything I was expecting, guys. So they have given a very brief answers. They have given whatever it takes and whatever how he has spent the whole day. How is your dad? How is his dad plan? So he had given everything, guys. I'd love to ask one more question, guys. Like, uh, how do you fit? How do you keep fit yourself? Because you are the fittest athlete in the world. So I'll ask him the fitness secret, guys. See, guys, thank you for the kind words as a professional athlete staying fit. See, guys, regular training, healthy diet, proper rest and recovery, consistency, mindset. So these are the things. Their secret plan, guys. Secret fitness. See, guys, they have given the best answers they can give, guys. They have written everything. Why he is the fittest athlete in the world, guys. He does regular training, healthy diet, he takes proper rest, he takes consistency, and his mindset to become successful and become the number one makes him the fittest athlete in the world, guys. Suppose I ask him some personal question, guys. Let's see he answers or not. Suppose I ask him that how many girlfriend you have in your life. See, guys, I'm asking about his girlfriend. Let's see. See, guys, they are giving me the answer that I understand that my personal life is of interest to many people, but I am professional athlete. I prefer to keep my personal life private, guys. So he's not giving me answer about, but I'd love to ask one more questions to him, like how many children you have. Let him ask a personal question, guys. See, guys, they're giving answer that have two son, two daughters. So I'll go back, guys, and back to OIs, and I'd love to talk with uh, see Donald Trump, guys. Click on Donald Trump, and I'd love to talk with him because I want to ask him a a question because what he is doing nowadays. Because now he is not a president of USA. So let him ask, how did you spend your day nowadays because we lost the presidency election. So I have asked him how did he spend the whole day, what he is doing, guys. See, I didn't lose the election. It was rigged by the Democrats. They cheated and stole the elections from me. I spent my day fighting for truth and justice. Make sure the American people know the truth about election fraud. I'm also working on my plans to run for a president again in 2024 and make America great again, guys. See, guys, they have the plan to run again, guys, for the president. So you can ask any questions. Suppose you had relations with a Stormy Daniel. See, guys, because this news is also very big news, and this news is covered by almost all news channels, guys. See, Trump is saying that I never had any relations with Stormy Daniel. It's all fake news. So they have given the answer, guys. Suppose I ask him a question like, how did you become so successful? Ask him about a personal question, guys. How did he become the successful? See, he given the answer, guys. I became successful through hard work, determination, and a strong business acumen, guys. So this website is amazing, guys. So please use it, and whenever you feel bored, you can just have chat with them, and you can learn with them in any moment, guys. So I hope you like the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you wanna support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.